Okay, last two examples, we're going to be doing our similar solids again and our composite solids. So starting out with number 4, pyramid A and pyramid B are similar. Find the volume of pyramid B. Okay, so first thing I'm going to look at is I know pyramid A, I have to get to pyramid B. So from A to B. That means in order to find my scale factor, I'm going to take my 6 and I'm going to put it over my 8. So scale factor is 6 over 8, which simplifies by 2 to 3/4. So if you think about it, 3/4 is 75%. So 8 down to 6, you're scaling down by 75%. Now, that means we have to take our volume and scale it down to get to the volume of pyramid B. But once again, this is in meters. This is 3/4 of a meter, and our volume is in cubic meters. Okay, you can't take a meter and times it by a cubic meter and get the same thing. They don't work. So we need our volume ratio, which means you're going to take your 3/4, which is your scale factor, and you're going to cube it. And the reason you're cubing it is because you want to get to meters cubed, not just meters. So 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. 4 times 4 times 4 is 64 meters cubed. So 27 over 64 is your volume ratio. So now we're going to take our 96, we're going to multiply it by our volume ratio, and that's going to give us the volume of pyramid B. So 96 parenthesis 27 divided by 64, enter, actually control enter, 40.5 cubic meters is the volume of the pyramid. Now notice when you're doing these, you don't have to worry about dividing by 3, you don't have to worry about using any of those other rules. It's exactly the same as we did before. You just have to take your scale factor, cube it, and then multiply it by your value. Last one, find the volume of the composite solid, meaning I took two of them, I put them together. So I'm going to start with the bottom, which is just a cube. So volume, length, times width, times height. So 6 times 6 times 6, 216. Now, on my top, this is a pyramid, so volume equals area of the base times the height divided by 3. So area of the base looks like a square, 6 by 6, times the height, also 6, but because it's a pyramid, don't forget to divide by 3. Okay, so 6 times 6 times 6, we know is 216, divided by 3 is 72, and then if I want the volume of the whole thing, add. So 216 plus 72 is 288 meters cubed.